Hey, Sharky, can you leave Mr. Owl alone? Hi, darling. Look at Mr. Owl here. Hello, beautiful. Well, you don't like him being in your tree. Leave him alone, mate. Come on. We can share. We can share. You just don't get along, do you? Oh, Mum's up there too. Righto. I know you'll work it out, but I wish you'd get along. I do. Wish you'd get along. Be friends, please. Friendly. Yeah, he's not happy. Leave Mr. Owl alone, please. You alright, mate? You let Mr. Owl there. Oh, you're beautiful. Hi, darling. Poor Sharky doesn't like you being there. Yeah, I know. Sharky, come down here, darling. Come down here. Don't take any nonsense from him, Mr. Owl. Sharky, you leave Mr. Owl alone, please. Sharky, Sharky, come on. He can sit here in the tree. Yes, yes, he can. Let him stay here, but he's fine. Oh, you're a beautiful boy. Hi, darling. Ooh, ooh, ooh.